Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rules, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So first we know that if we have more than one division, so we solve from left to right. Now we have more than one division, so first of all we solve 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 give us 12 divided by 2 divided by 3. Now we solve 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 give us 6 divided by 3. Now 6 divided by 3 gave us 2. The final answer is 2. Thanks for watching.